So I got it on there. I had to cut a little more than I wanted to back here because of that wire for the starter. And it doesn't look too bad. Most people that don't know these tractors well wouldn't even notice it. I got plenty of room for the battery. It can change it easy enough with the dipstick still there. I can go back that far. It usually slides back anyway. And then on this side, I had to trim. They had that hole there, so whatever. I gotta take this off. If you get that off, there'll be one more bolt in the battery tray. Well, a couple more bolts, I guess. One more hard one. So anyway, now we got it to fit. All 4 bolts will line up where the Briggs come off of this. The dipstick will clear, the starter bolt will clear. It's where it will live. So I'm pretty sure I got enough room for the carburetor and the air cleaner and the grill. I hope so. I could set that up on there, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Now, other than the air cleaner, which I might still be able to figure something out there. Everything else, you know, seems like it's gonna fit. Get rid of this. I might make a panel for there someday. Maybe not. I don't know. Right now, I got it mocked up so I know it will work. Worst come to worst, I got to take this bar loose and the front end loose whenever I change the air filter. So it looks like we're going to go with it this way for now. Another issue is going to be the hood. It's just, I mean, it's just against it. I will not bend or cut the hood. I will use this on a different tractor and use a beat up hood. It was so close. Everything else is gonna seem like it's gonna fit and work. I think I can run the fuel lines and all that stuff under here. My choke cable is gonna be short, and my throttle cable was maybe gonna make it. I ain't sure.